What is this 8210 and a fine wine got in common? They're both worth more now than they were when they were first produced, and this masterpiece is now available on the Lucky Day website, and you are gonna come with me to have a closer look. First up, the rubber. Now you can't be giving out to me this time because I've got brand new Michelin Omnibib 480s on the front and a set of 580s on the back. All of the rims have been completely refurbished and they've had a fresh coat of paint, which I think you'll agree look absolutely fabulous, darling. And now to the most popular stop on our tour, the back end. There's not much to say here because it completely speaks for itself. Rhino, the tractor. Now lads, are you comfortable? Because I have a spiel for you. This engine has had a complete rebuild and it's been fitted with a heap of new auxiliary parts. New radiator, new oil cooler, new water pump, new diesel pump and injectors. New clutch kit, new brakes, the dual power works perfect, all the nuts and bolts have been zinc dipped, and there's full stainless steel piping from the turbo to the exhaust to let everyone know you're a tractor enthusiast. It's on its original seat that's air sprung. It's got its Sunday lid for those sunny days, and the air conditioning works perfect. What you definitely need on a day like today. I can't believe I'm working in these conditions. I should be home in the garden with a gin and tonic. Are we done yet? The cab has been removed and has been completely refurbished. The doors are in top-notch condition and the digital dash works. No faults. Now there's a heap more spec on the website, but you're gonna have to go and check that out because I don't have the time. Now come on. The pickup hitch has been removed and rebuilt. The electric lift works perfect. It's been fitted with these brand new mud guards and genuine brackets. Now they're f***ing expensive. Check out this original Ford weight block with its centerpiece. Rare. So that concludes the tour of the Ford 8210 Series 3 Turbo. If you'd like to exit to the Lucky Day competition's website and get yourself a ticket for $14.97, and don't forget to grab yourself a hoodie in the gift shop. Best of luck.